AWS EC2 explained in 60 seconds. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, which lets you launch your virtual machine in minutes. Instead of you buying a physical machine, you ask AWS to give you a computer, where you tell AWS how much CPU you want, how much RAM you need, how much storage you want, which operating system you want. Do you want Linux? Do you want Windows? And then AWS will give you that machine in minutes. And that machine is called as EC2 instance. And your EC2 instance lives in an AWS data center. What can you do with your EC2? Well, you can host your website, you can run backend applications, you can deploy APIs, and you can run your databases. You can scale your EC2 machines very easily, which means that if your website has more users, you can spin up more machines, and if your website has less traffic, less users, then you can scale down to less machines easily. You can access your EC2 machines via SSH, which is Secure Shell. For that, you need three things. First, public IP of the EC2 machine. Second, your .pem key file. And third, security group must allow SSH. Now understand the flow of the execution. Suppose that you are admin and you are trying to access your AWS EC2 machine. For that, in your local terminal, you have to SSH and then you have to give the credentials. First, public IP of the EC2 and then .pem key file. If the credentials are correct, AWS System Manager will check whether your credentials are correct or not. If it is correct, you will get access to your EC2. If AWS System Manager finds out that credentials are wrong, then you will not be able to access your EC2 machine.